everyone, and welcome back. This is going to be another episode of What's in the Box. So, another package arrived. Another gift for me. And of course, whenever I say gift, I am paying for it. So, not quite the gift I always want, because it hurts the pocketbook. But what is in the box? Something interesting, I think. Let's see here. Am I crazy? Quite possibly. This is going to be something different. Let's find out. Okay. Well packaged. Got styrofoam. Nice sturdy box. What would be packaged so well? Ooh. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Wow. What a beauty. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm glad it was packaged so well so it wouldn't arrive damaged. Appears to be in mint condition. Let's take a look. Oh yes, nice. Oh, that is beautiful. There, that'll buff right out. Nice, what a nice air cleaner. Will most definitely keep the air clean. So, enough of this joking around, I guess. Okay, so what do I have here? This is an air cleaner. You can see there, that's got 3 holes. It actually has more holes than it's supposed to have, but it has 3 holes on the bottom. So this is a tri-power air cleaner assembly for a 1959 or 1960 Cadillac Eldorado. So I have a 60 Eldorado Seville. And what a gorgeous piece of work. Yes, I actually paid money for this. Can you believe that? I bought it because the air filter element is in good condition. So I'm going to reuse this. No, I'm joking. Okay, so I have the car. I'm gonna hang it on the wall. It's gonna go next to the car. So it's a conversation piece, all right? So that is nice. What a beautiful piece. So yeah, the Eldorados, they came with the tri-power engine, and these are not easy to find, and even in absolute crap garbage condition. Some crazy person will buy this. This guy, right? Yeah, this crazy guy will buy this and hang it on the wall and say, hey, look, dry power. So tell me what you think. Am I crazy? We all know the answer. But yep, here it is. So one of my most interesting purchases ever. To go on the wall next to my Cadillac. Thank you for watching. I hope you just were so entertained. Have a great day.